Introducing Greet, the smart doorbell from Zmodo that's easy to set up and easy to use. Answer your door from anywhere. See who's there and talk to them through your smartphone.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Receive video clip motion alerts on your phone, even when somebody doesn't ring the doorbell. You can also record a voice message to play for visitors when you can't or don't want to answer the door. Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent. Missing a call doesn't mean missing a visitor. With Greet's built-in storage, you can replay several weeks' worth of recorded clips from motion alerts and missed visitors. Greet lets you create alert schedules to choose when you are notified, and you can even turn off your chime for a peaceful night. Greet by Zmodo.